Equities and other risk assets are coming under selling pressure yet again today, and there's still no apparent movement on agreeing to raise the US debt ceiling. Want to know more? Keep watching. Hello, I'm David and this is Trading Today. Yes, I'm afraid it's the same old story. We haven't had any progress on raising the US debt ceiling, although we are going to hear from House of Representatives Speaker Kevin McCarthy at 4:45 p.m. BST. So it'll be very interesting to see what he says there. Now, the clock is ticking. We are getting very close to D-Day on this. Bear in mind that US Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen has said the 1st of June is the last time, that's the cutoff time. And even then, we're still damaging the sort of the underpinnings of the bond market and everything else by these delays. And not only that, but we've got a Memorial Day holiday on Monday as well. So time really is of the essence. Now, it could be that the action that we're seeing across stock markets and other risk assets, this big sell-off, could trigger off some response from policymakers. We could finally find that they decide to wake up and actually see the potential of any further delay and what that could mean for markets, because of course that'll hit them all in their pockets. So we'll see how that pans out. But it'll be interesting to hear what Kevin McCarthy says this afternoon. Hopefully it's positive news. We're also seeing very hefty sell-offs across precious metals and a rally in the dollar. It's a bit of an odd one, that, because the dollar is a safe haven asset, even though we're talking about problems with the US debt ceiling. Gold and silver typically are also go-to assets that people would recommend that you own in times of turmoil or potential turmoil like this. So it's all different signals coming from those various assets out there at the moment. Other bits and pieces for today: we heard that UK inflation came in lower, but lower than the 10.1% it was last month on an annualized basis, but it was higher than expected. So that's not good news for the Bank of England or for us either living in the UK. After the bell tonight, we're going to hear from Nvidia, so that's going to be a big potential market mover. Coles also, and American Eagle after the close. Coles, I think we've had actually. The other thing to look out for, very important, at 7 p.m. BST, we'll get the minutes of the last Federal Reserve's FOMC meeting, so look out for that as well. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you found this of interest. If you did, please like and follow. And as always, best of luck with your trading. Goodbye.